Imagine two people who both retire with $1 million. 10 years later, one of them is happier, healthier, financially secure, and still enjoys traveling with family. The other constantly worries about money, rarely sleeps well, avoids spending, and secretly fears running out of savings. Here's the surprising part. The difference wasn't how much money they had. It wasn't the stock market. It wasn't even their investment returns. It was something much simpler. Their daily routine. Researchers have noticed that many retirees who continue to thrive, financially, mentally, and emotionally, follow remarkably similar daily habits. These habits aren't expensive. They aren't complicated. And anyone can start building them long before retirement. Today, we're going to uncover why the happiest retirees seem to live by the same routine, and why this lesson can completely change the way you think about money, freedom, and life. Let's begin. Most people spend decades believing retirement is one giant vacation. We'll finally relax. We'll do whatever we want. We'll never wake up to an alarm again. It sounds amazing. But here's the psychological trap. Humans don't just need freedom. We need purpose. Imagine spending every single day like it's Sunday. At first, it feels incredible. You sleep late. Watch TV. Scroll your phone. Eat whenever you want. But after a few weeks, the excitement fades. Without realizing it, your days begin to blur together. Psychologists call this decision fatigue. When every hour is unplanned, your brain actually becomes more tired making endless small decisions. Ironically, too much freedom can create stress. Many retirees experience this without understanding why. They expected retirement to solve all their problems. Instead, some lose motivation, confidence, and even happiness. Money wasn't the issue. Structure was. Here's something wealthy retirees understand. Money doesn't create a good life. Money creates options. Your habits decide what happens with those options. Think about a garden. Having fertile land doesn't guarantee beautiful flowers. Without watering, sunlight, and daily care, the garden slowly dies. Your retirement works exactly the same way. Savings give you the land. Daily routines grow the flowers. That's why some retirees with modest savings live joyful lives, while others with millions feel anxious every day. Behavior always beats balance. One of the biggest differences thriving retirees share is that they don't wake up asking, "What should I do today?" They already know. Maybe it's a morning walk, reading, volunteering, working part-time, learning photography, gardening, playing music. Purpose doesn't have to earn money. It simply has to give your day direction. Our brains love progress. Every small accomplishment releases dopamine, the brain chemical linked to motivation. Without progress, motivation slowly disappears. This explains why many retirees choose hobbies that look like work, because meaningful effort makes life feel valuable. Health is one of the greatest financial assets you'll ever own. Imagine having millions in investments, but not enough health to enjoy them. That's not real wealth. Successful retirees rarely treat exercise like punishment. Instead, movement becomes part of their identity. Morning walks, stretching, cycling, swimming. Simple activities repeated consistently. Every healthy year can reduce medical costs while increasing your quality of life. Investing in your body often delivers the highest return you'll ever receive. Here's a fascinating psychological insight. People often think wealthy retirees spend less. That's not always true. Thriving retirees spend differently. Instead of buying things to impress others, they spend on experiences, family dinners, travel, learning new skills, helping grandchildren. Meaningful memories create happiness that lasts much longer than material possessions. Researchers call this hedonic adaptation. A new car quickly becomes ordinary. A meaningful experience becomes a lifelong memory. The happiest retirees understand this instinctively. Many people believe learning ends after school. Successful retirees prove the opposite. They read books, watch educational videos, learn technology, study investing, practice languages, take online courses. Why? Because curiosity keeps the brain alive. Imagine your brain as a muscle. Stop using it, and it weakens. Challenge it, and it grows stronger. Learning isn't about getting another job. It's about keeping your mind flexible and confident. The stock market rises. The news predicts disaster. Friends panic. Social media screams that everything is crashing. Many investors sell. Thriving retirees often do something much simpler. They stick to their plan. Why? Because experience teaches an important lesson. Markets move in cycles. Emotions move much faster. The biggest financial mistakes usually happen during emotional moments. Fear tells people to sell low. Greed tells people to buy high. Successful retirees don't try to predict every market move. They manage their behavior instead. Because behavior is the only investment they fully control. Money can buy a beautiful house. It cannot buy genuine friendships. Loneliness quietly affects both mental health and financial decisions. People who feel isolated often spend more impulsively or lose motivation to manage their finances. Thriving retirees make relationships part of their routine. Coffee with friends, community groups, volunteer work, family dinners, simple conversations. These connections become emotional wealth, and emotional wealth often protects financial wealth, because happier people usually make calmer decisions. One of the biggest myths is that retirement is about spending everything you've earned. Successful retirees think differently. They ask, how can I enjoy today without stealing from tomorrow? That's a powerful question. Imagine your savings as a fruit tree. You can pick the fruit every season, but if you cut down the tree, the fruit disappears forever. Thriving retirees protect the tree. They spend carefully. Not because they're afraid, because they value long-term freedom. Freedom is worth more than luxury. Here's the lesson hiding underneath all these habits. Money is emotional. Every financial decision tells a story. Some people spend to feel important. Some save because they're afraid. Some invest because they're hopeful. Some avoid money because it creates anxiety. Retirement simply magnifies these behaviors. If you build healthy habits before retirement, you'll probably enjoy retirement more. If you relied on impulse, stress, or comparison, retirement won't magically change that. Wherever you go, your habits follow. That's why financial freedom isn't just about your bank account. It's about your daily behavior. So what can you start doing today, even if retirement is decades away? Start your mornings with intention instead of distraction. Move your body every day, even for 20 minutes. Spend money on memories more often than possessions. Keep learning something new each month. Ignore short-term market noise and stay focused on your long-term plan. Build strong friendships before you need them. And most importantly, practice living below your means while still enjoying your life. These habits don't just prepare you for retirement. They prepare you for a richer life today. In the end, thriving retirees don't have a secret investment. They have a repeatable routine. Small habits. Repeated daily. Repeated for years. Eventually those habits become a peaceful, meaningful, financially confident life. Because true wealth isn't waking up with nothing to do. It's waking up excited about what comes next. If you can build that mindset today, retirement won't feel like the end of your career. It will feel like the beginning of your freedom. And that may be the greatest return on investment anyone can ever earn.